Is this recording? Yes. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about extracting our face and how to do it at home. Because I know a lot of y'all don't want to go to a spa and get it done. I know I don't. I don't need nobody all up in my face right now. So I'm going to teach you how to do it from home. So if y'all want to see this video, then keep on watching. Before I start with this video, please make sure to subscribe down below, y'all. That would mean so much to me. Make sure to leave a nice little like down there. Comment down below. I will definitely reply to y'all. I love replying. Don't forget about that ring button down there. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, The Boy Monroe. Y'all, the other day, a couple of them, like 2 months ago, I believe, I ordered this. I ordered this on Amazon. Bestope? I don't know. Y'all can read it. So I ordered it, y'all, and it comes with the tools to extract on your face for like acne, you know, all types of dirt out of your skin. Cause y'all don't understand. There is dirt and oil on your pillows. In the air, there's dirt everywhere. People are like, oh, you know, I use a lot of like good stuff, products for my face, but they never change the pillow sheets. So dirt and everything accumulates in the pillow. So make sure to change your pillows, y'all. That's a big thing. Trust me, it makes a difference on your face. Y'all see behind me? If y'all see behind me, I literally have like 6 pillows. So I can change it each night for a new pillow, and then I just wash all the sheets at the end of the week. So I am going to turn on my steamer. I'm going to try to make this video as short as I can, y'all, because I know sometimes these videos get a little too long, and we got time for that. I have nothing on my face. I just washed it. But it's time for me to extract. And I'm going to also do a little exfoliating afterwards. And an SK2 mask, which I talked about in my last video on my JLo beauty video, that I was going to talk about this. So okay, right now y'all, what I'm doing is I am opening up my pores, because it makes it easier for me to go into my skin, into my pores, and just extract everything out. And it makes everything much easier just to come out, because if y'all do it with, let's say you're just hanging out at the couch, right, and then you're like, oh, I want to go and extract my face. Y'all, your pores are tight. Loosen it up. Use a steamer, and if y'all don't have a steamer, y'all can always use, because you know, I know it's tough times right now, which I get it. Y'all can always boil some water, open up your pores, you know, once the water starts steaming, or even when you get out the shower, y'all. Like, it's very simple. Once you get out the shower, all that steam, you know, and hot water, it opens up your pores. If not, just use like a towel, a warm towel, to like open up the pores. You can find different kinds of ways, okay? But what I'm gonna use is my Dr. Dennis Gross steamer. And what I love about this is that it comes with 5 different kind of tools for like acne, for your nose, for your face, for everything. And it has like a needle that it comes with, and this was $8.99 on Amazon. Comes with a needle which it pokes you. It's really sharp. So if you have like that stubborn like blackhead that won't come out, or that stubborn like pimple, you just literally just give a little pop, then extract it right out, y'all. Okay, so let me open my pores. Today what I'm going to be doing is my nose area. That's what I'm going to be doing on this video. My nose area. My cheeks, let me tell y'all, even people are like, you don't have any pores. Listen, let me show y'all. Y'all see how I have like new pores? My nose, you can see like here, but here, nothing. So it's not really nothing for me to take out here, but I'm gonna work on my nose. While I'm steaming, I'm gonna show y'all, it came with this. It comes with instructions of how to use it, the tools, and it lets y'all know on the back what each tool is for. I just wanted to show y'all this one right here hugs the pimple, so you would press it and then pull down. That's really how you use the tools, y'all. People always wonder, they're like, how do you use this? You honestly just press where it's flat, just press and pull down. That's it. So if y'all are wondering that, this is simple. Alright, so I turned off my steamer. My pores are kind of loose already. I have a mirror right here. I am gonna press and go down. Press and go down. So I notice I have more on the tip of my nose. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna press and go down. You know what? And make sure y'all clean this. Y'all clean it with alcohol. Y'all, there's really not much. There's really not much coming out. So this is not as satisfying for y'all. But y'all get the idea. I just want to make sure y'all know how to do this. So I'm just gonna press. Go down. Okay, I got a little bit, y'all. Besides that, on the larger area, just press and go. I'm sorry, y'all, but I have very clear. See, this is how y'all know. This is how y'all know I take care of my skin pretty well. Cause y'all ain't getting nothing out of me, honey. Nothing. But again, listen, just again, press, push down, press, push down, press, push down. That's it. Sorry that this video is not as satisfying. I know some of y'all into this kind of gross stuff, like, you know, watching people extract and seeing all the junk come out. I take care of my skin, y'all, so I'm sorry. I'm not gonna apologize for that, but I mean, I guess I am, but you know, there's nothing coming out. Whatever. But the needle part, let me show y'all. So let's say I had like a pimple, right? I would just poke it, press, and go down. That's it. See how quick this was, y'all? There is nothing for me to extract, which is boring. But I'm gonna go and exfoliate, y'all. I'm gonna use my fresh exfoliator right here. Vitamin Nectar. Vitamin C Powder Glow. Let me go and exfoliate, y'all, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I exfoliated already my skin. It feels smoother. Now I'm going to be using the SK2 Facial Treatment Mask. I'm going to leave this on for a little while. And yeah, it should be done. But I know, let me open this up for y'all real quick. So the reason I'm doing this right now is because my pores are wide open. So when I take advantage to penetrate this mask into my pores. So if y'all watched my last video, J-Lo, this is how you do a sheet mask, girl. Just saying. So I'm gonna grab whatever is on the top of the sheet mask. Y'all already know. Put it into my neck, y'all. My ears. Cause there's so much always on the other side. And people forget that. And on the back of my hands. Cause you also get signs of aging on the back of your hands, y'all. Whew. Girl. Wipe it all out. Which I am wiping with this, honey. Plump the bitch out. Do my neck, my ears, the back of my ears. This thing came out. Back of my hands. Yeah, I am plumped, honey. She is plumped and firm. That Pore from the SK2, y'all, does wonders. Now my hand needs a blessing, so bam. Alright, y'all. So I extracted, as y'all saw. Y'all get the idea how to do it at home, okay? And use a steamer. or after shower. Y'all know what to do. I'm just gonna set this up with an oil. Y'all know how I do with the sheet mask. Make sure to like and subscribe, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this quick little video. I hope it was quick. Again, if y'all have any questions, leave a comment down below. Hit me up, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna go and relax. My skin is plump for the gods, honey. Love y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.